All right, hello all, and welcome. I guess first off, I wanted to start off by introducing myself. My name is Tony Reese. Um, some of my hobbies are obviously tinkering with technology, so that's why I've been posting a lot of AI videos. I wanted to post this video to just kind of give a quick summary about myself and some of the things that I might potentially do with this channel. So I do have a lot of potential things I'm interested in. So just a little bit of background. I started kind of working out around the 2019 time frame, which is ironically because that was around the same time that I purchased a Model 3, and that's where I started tinkering with some of the full self driving. I guess autopilot at the time it wasn't really full self driving, but got involved, intrigued in that type of technology since that time. Never really did anything with it. I was very busy with life and kids, and but as you kind of get older, uh, start developing other interests and passions. So now I'm at the point where obviously still very busy. I do have a soccer team, so that's kind of the thing that I wanted to talk about. um, Potentially get into more soccer stuff on soccer training. I do want to become certified to be a soccer coach, which I'm already a coach, but just getting the certification for that. The other topic, which is also very interesting, the first thing I was going to talk about is the nutrition part of it. So I guess, like I mentioned, I've been working out since 2019, so I'm very focused on fitness. Been posting a couple. I guess I posted one video of just a training that I've been uh, doing. But just to summarize, I'm kind of trying to figure out what I want to do with this channel. So potentially some workout stuff. Talk a little bit about that. I do have some experience with some AI tools to help uh, do that. So I think that would be a cool channel content, talking about some of the ways that I've navigated through that whole journey. So again, I started working out since 2019. Didn't really start seeing any um, any improvements in my muscle growth and then weight loss until probably the end of last year, beginning of this year. And now I kind of feel like I figured it out thanks to Gemini, which is kind of what I'm using for guidance on that. So I think that'll be an interesting video to post and talk about how I was able to navigate all that and learn the proper things to do to save people from pretty much wasting 6 years of their life thinking that just working out is going to solve their problems, because it's not. Nutrition is a way uh, to get you 80% there, and then fitness is going to help you the other 20%. So I think that's an interesting topic to potentially talk about. Some of the other topics I'm obviously very interested on is this whole automation and self-driving of cars, stuff like that. So got the comment for. I've been posting videos about that. So I think that'll be interesting to dive more into. And then also just AI in general. There's a lot of cool things happening. So I mentioned nutrition. Recently figured out how to fix my nutrition uh, using AI. So again, that's probably another topic video on that. I've also been using Fitness Pal, I guess no, Fitbit to track all my workouts and then keep track of that through an AI tool through Fitbit. So yeah, just wanted to put this video out there, potential video ideas to go over. Obviously, I'm still going to be talking about comma AI and some of the things they're doing in that space. Some potential ideas for that would be also comparing against the Model Y. So I do have a Model Y, so run it through some of the same courses that I currently have, and then just show how it compares versus what I'm currently doing. I think that would be very, very cool to do a video on how it compares. Just standard Model Y versus comma AI, and then try to figure out some type of metric that we could do to see which one does better. Obviously, I don't have the newer hardware for the Tesla. It's a 2023 Model Y, so it would be kind of interesting to see. I can't potentially go to Tesla and get a loaner. Um, there is a website that you can go to and do that. So might potentially just get a trial period and then get a brand new Model Y and then test it both in autopilot, which sounds like autopilot is going away. So it might have to be just full self driving and just kind of see how that compares, how it does in all the different scenarios I've been putting my lightning on. So yeah, I think that'll be interesting. And then the other thing that I've also been kind of getting into more recently is like the metaverse type of stuff. I did buy a MetaQuest. You see right here the controller in the back. I have a MetaQuest and trying to figure out some of that, how that plays in with all of this. I did have this Meta glasses as well that I recently purchased, which is how I've been recording a lot of these tests in the truck. So kind of diving into how all this plays together. I know eventually everything's becoming kind of interconnected. There's the new Google glasses that are expected to drop this year, some new intelligence. So that's another potential video topic as well, is comparing the different AI systems out there, because I do utilize all the different ones for various reasons. So I can potentially do a video comparing some of the strengths between Grok, Gemini, ChatGPT, and then so I think that that'd be kind of interesting to talk about some of that as well, documented in my channel. Uh, I'm not sure about family blog stuff though. I don't feel like that's my type of thing. I'm more like technical, so I think that's kind of more my lane, analyzing things and trying to figure out how they work. Um, and then like right now, the stage that I'm currently at, which is a fitness, trying to figure out how to get down to my goal, which is I guess I won't name it now, but eventually I might do a video about it and kind of talk about those goals that I do have and I'm trying to achieve. So I think that'll be an interesting discussion to have as well. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and let me know if anybody is interested in any particular topics. I'll be sure to cover them here in the upcoming video. Try to prioritize. Might start a list of things I might want to do, and then see what's more interesting.